The screen protector was sent to me to try out and let you know what I think. Unfortunately, my phone is dead and at the repair shop, so I cannot show it to you right now. But I will show you what comes in the package so that you have a better idea of what to expect. Listen, if you have ever put on a screen protector back in the day, back when they first started, you remember what a mess it was. You'd have to wet it, have this flimsy little piece of film. It was a hot mess. But now, they've come a really long way. So this kit specifically comes with 2 screen protectors and an installation package kit thing. In addition to that, it also comes with this little tool which helps get bubbles out should you end up with any, and this installation kit. Now the installation kit has a little fiber, what is it called? Microfiber cloth, 2 wet wipes, and then 2 dust absorbers, which, spoiler alert, they're stickers. But you use those to get all, okay, so you start by using your wet wipe, you wipe down your iPhone screen, your cell phone screen. That's not the Pro, otherwise I'd be showing it to you. So you use the wet wipe, then you use your microfiber cloth, then you use your sticker, and you stick all the way around. So you want to get it as clean as possible. No fingerprints, no dust, no hair, nothing on it, because you then are going to throw your screen protector on. And this bad boy is made of a tempered glass, so you know what that means? It's actually going to protect it far more than a little flimsy piece of film will. So here's the cool thing, right? This is your little installation box thing. You're going to put your phone in here, you're going to take your screen protector, then you're going to mount it onto the frame. So you'll see that these are 2 different sized holes with 2 different size hooks. Guess what? So now you know which one to put it on. Nice and easily, it goes on there, drop it down, it nicely fits over these little plastic things on the bottom. Same thing. All of this is helping you make sure you set it up in the right way that's going to work for your phone, okay? Once you have it on there, you then are going to pull this tab. You see, you'll pull the tab, and then the screen will stick to your glass. Now, the key is this little rolly thing. As you go down, this little green thing rolls out right onto your screen. I'm going to take this off so it doesn't ruin it. It just rolls right down, and it just rolls as it goes down your screen. So you just whoop, whoop, just like that. You have to make the sound effect. And then it's mounted on there. Super high quality. I love the tempered glass. I love how easy this is. Some of these are really hard to figure out and how navigate how to work it. And also they're often bigger and clunkier and more wasteful. This isn't. It's nice and easy, super slick, super easy system. You should check out this set because you're going to be really happy with it.